Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how you can research leads that book a call through your calendar, whether that be Calendly or other platforms, fully automatically, and just receive an email with a document or a message in Slack with a document that just has loads of enriched data about the lead who booked a call, saving you so much time, helping you prepare for your meetings, helping you close more meetings. Isn't that amazing? So where am I now? This is an overview of the automation, showing you how it works, a basic explanation, why it's useful, etc, etc, and this is on our learning center. So if you head down to the description of this video, you'll find a link that has a form. Fill out that form and you'll get access to our learning center. You'll receive an email in a couple of minutes, and if you're wondering who I am or what it is that I'm doing or why I'm doing this, basically my name's Finney. I own an AI automation agency. As you can see, here it is. I'm going to be showing you this in a second, but basically what we do is we build pipeline automations and custom AI builds for primarily B2B companies and other various types of businesses. But anyway, with that being said, let's get into this automation and I'll show you how you can get it set up, import the template and set it up for your business. Okay guys, so let's get into the setup. So the first thing you want to do, head to the description, join our learning center, and once you're in, you're going to want to come to sales pipeline automations. Scroll down to the very bottom, there may be more there, but just look for research leads who book a call. With Calendly, have a wee read through if you want. It explains the how it works and the tools, etc. And then download this template. It's a Google Drive link that allows you to download the template. Now you're then going to want to come to make.com. If you haven't created an account, create an account. It's completely free, and import the template. A new scenario, and then you're going to want to import the template. So hit these three little dots, import template, choose a file, and you're going to want to hit the booking research template, and then in it will come. Okay guys, we've just had a bit of a stinker. My mouse died, but it's all good. I'll find a spare one, so let's crack on. So once you're in your scenario, what you want to do is you want to import the blueprint that you've downloaded from our learning center. So where is it? There it was there. Import and save, and it should pop in. Beautiful, there we go. So basically what's going on here, I'll do a quick overview, is we're watching for Calendly events or whatever software that you're using. We're giving it a second to sleep. We're giving it a minute because sometimes it can be quite slow to fully update. And then we're sending that information to Relevance AI. Now, why we're doing that is because we're sending it to a very specific agent called the Lead Research and Analysis Agent. And basically, if you don't have a Lead Research and Analysis Agent, what are you doing? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to my other videos and watch how to build an AI research, Lead Research and Analysis Agent. You can do it on Relevance AI. I've actually just finished filming that video, so go ahead and watch it. It's fully covers how you can set one of these things up. They will help you for so many more automations than just this one. You can use it for your day-to-day life. So yeah, go watch that and get one set up. And then what you can do is you can make a connection. So you want to add a connection, fire in your API keys, your credentials, and then what you can do is you can just come to your agents. You'll see a load of your agents here, as you can see. Whenever it loads, just fire in the Lead Research and Analysis Agent that you've created, and then this prompt is already in there. And basically what we're doing is we're taking the questions from the form. So if we go to our website, we come to book a call. So whenever people come and they book a call, they obviously find their time. Let's just go Friday, 6:30 p.m. next, and then there's all these details. So we're basically capturing their name, their email, their website URL, phone number, and a couple basic qualifying questions, and then that's just for a text reminder. And then they schedule the event. So what we do is we get the answers to these questions and we send it to our Lead Analysis Agent. So imagine, so let's just say for example, a new lead has booked a call. Efficacious AI, please research them. So this is sort of what we're doing, but it's just happening on autopilot because we're using make.com to send the message to the agent, but in this case we've just typed it, and we're only sending the name of the company here. Okay, so if we send this agent all of this data, it's going to be absolute light work for them to research that lead. So if we hit send, then what's going to happen is it's going to research that lead, and specifically if you have the first name, last name, and so much more information, it's going to be able to get so much information about the lead. And what I'll do is I'll run through this at the end and I'll give you an example, but basically that's what's happening here. So whenever you complete this, I'll tell you what, I'll show you. So unknown exception, the hook already is a scenario assigned. Never mind. Well, what we'll do is we'll just run it at the end and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so now that the Lead Research Agent has finished that task, I just said a new lead is booked to call, FXI, please research them. It comes up with all this information that is collected on autopilot. And obviously we have this big prompt So it makes it a little bit tailored. Deeply research the lead and find out as much information about the lead and their company to help me prepare for a meeting. This should help company, that's your company name that you're going to want to fill in there, close them as a client, and then their name, their email, and then the question and answers. Okay, so that's going to basically give us loads and loads of information about the lead, which is great. Okay, but now we need to give AI some information about your company. So once we've got that set up, you want to come to the HTTP request and put in your URL. I've just got mine for an example because so many people get confused with the URL part, so I leave it in sometimes. Basically, put your website URL in, and then we're parsed it. It's going to scrape it. It's going to return the result, all HTML. We're going to clean the HTML up so it's pure text, and then we're going to feed it into OpenAI. And basically what's happening here is we're giving it all this information and we're just saying, right, okay, here's information about FXAI, here's information about the lead who booked a call, plan for the call. Okay, so you're a lead analysis agent for a company. You're skilled at taking detailed information about a company who's booked a meeting and analysing this information to help prepare for the meeting. Context: a lead for that's going to be FXAI has booked, or your company name has booked a call via Calendly or whatever platform you're using, but I feel like most people use Calendly. They provide some basic personal details. Another agent has deeply researched the lead and got thorough information about the lead. Task: analyze the lead enrichment data and turn it into meeting preparation notes. Here's the data about the company lead that booked a call. So that's the information from relevance, i.e. this information. So we feed that to ChatGPT. Here's information from the Calendly workflow, from the Calendly scheduling. Feed it in that just for some additional information. And here's the details about FXAI, which in my case would be FXAI, in your case it's going to be your company. You feed it in. So now it knows about your company, it knows about the lead, and it knows what like solutions they're interested in or whatever it may be. You know, what solutions are you interested in, you know, what kind of company they are, etc., etc. So once we finish that, we get a really, really good, elaborate set of notes to help you prepare for your meeting. Tells you everything you need to know about the company, and because we've got information from your website, it's able to share like how you can help them and just overall help you prepare for it, right? So basically what's happening now is it's creating a doc, so just create your connection and basically copy what's going on here. I don't know why that's, well, it's all probably going to be hollow variables. So scheduled, cameras in the way, created at, boom boom, and then we're just putting in the result of ChatGPT, and also I've just thrown in the relevance AI answers there. Also, what you can do here is you can make another OpenAI module and tell it, right, okay, I want you to format this with HTML because it doesn't look very neat in the Google Doc, but I mean, it doesn't really matter for us. We just want the information there. It's readable. But you can format it with HTML if you want it to look really, really neat. And then you download that file to Drive just in case you want it there to put into your CRM. And yeah, and then you email it to yourself or you email it to your team. As you can see, we just email it to our main email address. Meeting notes for name, who booked a call, then the document ID and the export links as plain text. Then you also can send that to your Slack channel as well, so your team can get access to the research lead who booked a call there. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll head over, because we already have one set up for our company for FXAI because we use this quite a lot. So what I'll do is I'll go and show you an example of the one for our business. Okay guys, so funny enough, we have just got a notification from Calendly as I was changing tabs. Somebody's just booked a meeting. Johnny Woods, he's one of our clients, one of our partners. And basically, the automation is ran on autopilot, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to load up the document and show you exactly what I mean. Okay, so this is the meeting preparation notes for Thrive. That's the company that Johnny owns. He's one of our clients, one of our partners. They do digital marketing and web development. And as he booked a call, it's already been researched. So that's pretty crazy as I was filming the video. So as you can see, business overview, website development, branding, boom, boom, boom. So if there's anyone out there who needs branding, make sure to go check out Johnny. And yeah, it's incredible what it can do. Management processes, this is some of the things that how FXAI can add value, AI lead magnets, chatbots, CRM solutions, that kind of thing. Loads and loads of meeting notes, and then this is obviously, I've just got a wee bit, should be able to read that, that's HTML, but regardless, basically what's going on here, this is the relevance AI information and this is the ChatGPT information. So we've got loads and loads of meeting notes, and that goes into Slack. Obviously it was emailed to myself, so I just get that on autopilot. That was 8 minutes ago, and then the meeting was booked 10 minutes ago. So 2 minutes after it was booked, I got that information, which is great. So that's basically how it works in a nutshell, and that's how you can go ahead and set it up. So I hope this was very helpful. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I'll try to address them as quickly as possible. But as always, thank you very much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great day.